burns thy heart for cooling streams when heated in the chains. So longs my soul, O God, for thee and thy refreshing grace. Why restless, why cast down my soul? Trust God who will employ His aid for thee, and change decides to fill and full hymns of joy. Why restless, why cast down my soul? Hope still, and thou shalt sing the praise of Him who